In human beings, air is drawn in human body through nostrils. Nostrils aligned with fine hairs and mucus that filter the air as it passes. Next, air travels through throat and moves through a pipe called trachea. Trachea contains cartilaginous rings that ensure smooth flow of air into lungs. From here, air passes the bronchi before enter into lungs. The bronchi are like a network of tubules that keep branching into smaller tubes called bronchioles. At the end of each bronchioles, you will find the balloon-like structures called alveoli. Alveoli provide the surface area for exchange of gases.